Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dave and Abby. This is GVA Ghettovanadventures. So I'm in a 2010 Focus right now. I'm sitting in it, and I was just talking to a guy. He has a Focus, and he doesn't know how to turn on his driving lights. Now, the driving lights are the ones below the headlights, like down near the road, and he doesn't know how to turn them on. So I thought, what a perfect opportunity to show people how to do it. And it's really simple, and it can apply to a lot of cars also. Okay, guys, here's your headlight switch right here. So as soon as you turn on your headlights, okay, you just pull out. That's it. And your lights, your driving lights, come on, see, there's the little emblem. But a lot of people don't know that if you have your parking lights on, you can turn them on. So in the USA, where you don't have daytime driving lights, okay, just this little thing alone will help you. So there you go, guys. You just turn your headlights on, pull it out, now your driving lights are on. And you don't have to remember about pushing it in to turn them off, because as soon as you turn the lights off, it automatically moves in and shuts them off for you. It's really simple, but it's not explained well, and a lot of people are always looking for a separate switch to turn them off and on, and it's all integral to the headlight switch. Anyway, guys, I hope this helped you out. You guys take care. Be safe on the road.